Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Yuzu VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found and missing error. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Extract downloaded zip file. Right-click, click Open File Location. Open Yuzu-Windows-MSVC. Simply move VC runtime 140-1.dll file to this folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.